Welcome back to Coin Capital, the channel where real coins, real knowledge, and real market facts come together. Today's video is very important, especially for beginners. Many people message me and ask, I have an old Malaysian coin. I think my coin is rare, but I don't know how to sell it. Where should I go? Is it valuable or not? If you are one of those people, this video is made for you. Today, I will explain step by step, in simple English, how to sell Malaysian coins inside Malaysia, without breaking any rules, without getting scammed, and without unrealistic expectations. Important note, this video is for education only. Coin prices depend on condition, demand, and market interest. There is no guarantee that every old coin is valuable. Now let's start from the basics. Part 1. First question. Is your Malaysian coin rare? Before selling, you must answer one question. Is my coin really rare or just old? Many people think old coin equals expensive coin, but this is not always true. A Malaysian coin can be rare because of 1. Low mintage. Some years had fewer coins made. Lower supply can mean higher collector interest. 2. Error coins. These are mistakes made during minting, such as off-center strike, double strike, missing design, wrong metal weak, or incomplete details. Not every small mark is an error. Damage after circulation is not an error. 3. Condition, very important. Two coins of the same year can have very different prices. Clean coin equals higher interest, scratched or damaged coin equals lower interest. 4. Collector demand. If collectors want that coin, value increases. If there is no demand, price stays low. Part 2. How to check a coin with naked eyes. You don't need expensive tools at the start. Step 1. Good light, use white light or daylight. Step 2. Compare with normal coin. If possible, compare your coin with same year, same design. Look for misaligned design, different size of letters, missing details, extra metal or cut metal. Step 3. Check edges. Rotate the coin slowly. Uneven edge, partial edge, flat spots. Step 4. Don't clean the coin. This is very important. Never polish, never wash with chemicals, never scratch to check metal. Cleaning reduces value. Part 3. Coin protection before selling. Before selling, protect your coin properly. Best protection methods: coin capsule, Mylar flip soft plastic holder. Avoid tissues, rubber bands, tape loose pockets. Always hold coin by the edges, not the surface. Part 4. Understanding coin grading. Coin grading means judging the condition of a coin. Basic grading levels, simple. Poor, fine, very fine. Extremely fine, uncirculated, higher grade equals more collector interest. Important. Grading does not automatically mean high price. It only describes condition. Part 5. Coin certification and grading companies in Malaysia. Certification means a professional company checks your coin and seals it. Why certification helps? Trust protection. Easier selling Malaysian-related options. Malaysia does not have many global grading companies, but some local Malaysian dealers work with international graders, Malaysian coin exhibitions, and clubs guide collectors. Reputable shops in Kuala Lumpur and Penang assist with grading submissions. Certification is not required for every coin. Only consider it if coin looks unusual, coin is in good condition, you plan to sell via auction. Part 6. Where not to sell your coin. Very important part. Do not sell to random WhatsApp buyers. Facebook comments with, I buy now cash. People offering price without seeing coin clearly. These places often offer very low prices. Part 7. Correct places to sell Malaysian coins in Malaysia. Now the most important part of this video. 1. Local coin shops, physical shops. Face-to-face dealing, safer for beginners. They may offer wholesale prices, but you get guidance. 2. Coin collectors groups Malaysia. Facebook, Malaysian coin groups. Local numismatic communities always. Post clear photos, ask for opinions, not prices, never rush. 3. Coin exhibitions and fairs. Malaysia has coin events where dealers, collectors, auction houses meet in one place. This is one of the best learning environments. Part 8. Malaysian auctions. Step-by-step auctions are not magic money machines, but they can help rare coins. Step 1. Auction accepts only selected coins. Not every coin is accepted. Step 2. Evaluation. They evaluate rarity, condition, market demand. Step 3. Seller agreement. You agree on reserve price, sometimes seller fee. Step 4. Auction day. Collectors bid openly, important. Auction result depends on buyer interest, not hope. Part 9. Setting realistic expectations. This part protects you from disappointment. Most Malaysian coins are common. Only some errors are valuable. Condition matters a lot. Online viral posts often show coins sold for thousands, but they do not show exact condition, exact error, auction proof. Always verify information. Part 10. Common questions beginners ask. Q. Should I sell immediately? No. First learn, compare, and ask experts. Q. Should I trust online prices? Only trust verified auction results, not random posts. Q. Is grading compulsory? No. Only for special coins. Q. Can damaged coin be rare? Damage reduces value, even if coin is old. Part 11. Final advice for beginners. If you remember only 3 things, remember these. 1. Not every old coin is rare. 2. Never clean your coin. 3. Learn before selling. Coin collecting is about knowledge, not shortcuts. If you want more real Malaysian coin knowledge, real auction facts, and honest guidance, subscribe to Coin Capital. Like this video, share it with someone who has old coins, and comment below if you want a video about specific Malaysian coins. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep collecting.